Hello everyone. Out this evening. My chickens keep getting out and we got a cat. Got a cat running through the yard. Sorry about all the bobbing around. You better get up through yonder. You better go. 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 It's the neighbor's cat. Oreo, you're looking all sad. Check him out. It's gonna be some pretty hens right there. What's the matter, Oreo? What's the matter? Huh? What's the matter? Oh, oh, oh. These chickens are always wanting something to eat. So how's everybody been doing? I had a chicken out here a while ago. Uh-oh. Chicken feathers. Something been after one of my chickens. Something to eat one of my chickens. I think I'm gonna start locking my chickens up. Check these trees out, y'all. Them some beautiful colors. I'll have to put me some traps out, I guess. You girls better get back in your, get in the chicken house. I'll have to come out here and lock you all up. We got one out here running around the yard. They're crazy. But how's everybody doing? How's all my subscribers? We're trying out a new mic, so y'all let me know how it's doing. It's DJI. It's got the little mic thing on. I don't know much about them, but all the other ones I had was scratchy and wasn't all that good. I'll be right back. I'm gonna put this chicken in. Okay, I'm back. But y'all. Their laying habits is up and down. Got a few babies. They're doing pretty good. Gotta go get a load of feed tomorrow. We're gonna camp out in that thing this weekend, not this coming weekend, but next weekend with my granddaughter. We're gonna just leave it set up right there. We're gonna have a fire pit, so she'll have, she's wanting to camp. So we got some wood piled up there, and we're gonna put our awning out, put a table up. Gonna have a fire pit right here. And just them trees is really pretty today. But we're gonna do some camping out in the yard. So thought that would be fun for Addie. She wants to camp every day. But we're gonna get in here and check on the chicken eggs. Looks like we've been on here for about 6 minutes. Try to keep them short and sweet. I got some work I want to get done. I can't never get nothing done. You girls ain't laid no eggs today? Well, we didn't get no eggs in there. I think it quit. We go out here looking inside the chicken house. They're standing up here waiting. They think I'm gonna give them some food, but we're not gonna get. I want to try to get the chicken house built in here. Like I said, we're just gonna take this here and make some chicken houses out of it, because I gotta get these chickens yeah, they have quit laying. They've give up. I don't know what's wrong with them. I don't know if something's chasing them or what. No eggs. Boy, it's pretty back there, ain't it? Looks really good. Especially that purple. Looks good. But I don't know. They just ain't. Well, tonight I'm gonna come out here and I'm gonna separate a lot of them. All the laying hens I'm gonna put in one pen. The ones that's laying. Like these red hens are laying, was laying. They ain't none of them laying right now. These here, that and there, that one over there, that one there, should be laying. I got a few black ones in here. But I'm gonna separate them. I enjoyed hanging out with you all. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, give us a thumbs up if you would. My granddaughter gave me that today. She brought it home from school. So she made me put it on. Yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell your friends and family. We hope all of y'all join in there. We're gonna jump off here and we'll catch you all on the next one. Y'all have a good one. We'll see you now, you hear? Catch you later.